Snored to death. The symptoms and dangers of untreated sleep apnea. Why do people snore? If you snore, you're not alone. Up to half of all American adults snore. It happens when air flows through your throat when you breathe in your sleep. This causes the relaxed tissues in your throat to vibrate and cause harsh, irritating snoring sounds. But wait, before continue this video, make sure you hit subscribe button first and write down in comment section, if you're already subscribed. Snoring may disrupt your sleep, or that of your partner. Even if it's not bothering you too much, it's not a condition to ignore. In fact, snoring may be a sign of a serious health condition, including obstructive sleep apnea, blocked airways, obesity, an issue with the structure of your mouth, nose, or throat, and sleep deprivation. In other cases, snoring may be caused simply by sleeping on your back or drinking alcohol too close to bedtime. Snore in trouble. Sleep apnea is literally when a person stops breathing during sleep. As a result, the brain undergoes repeated moments of suffocating. In popular culture, snoring is viewed as funny, and people often laugh when a snoring person lets out a sudden explosive snort. The reality is this loud snort is often the person gasping for air, as the brain is not getting enough oxygen. Sleep apnea interrupts sleep for both the sleeper and their bed partner. In particular, undiagnosed sleep apnea is directly tied to an increased risk in cardiovascular and metabolic health. The scariest part? You might not even know you have this very common problem. Sleep apnea occurs in about 3% of normal weight individuals but affects over 20% of obese people. In general, sleep apnea affects men more than women. However, sleep apnea rates increase sharply in women after menopause. Sleep apnea happens when upper airway muscles relax during sleep and pinch off the airway, which prevents you from getting enough air. Your breathing may pause for 10 seconds or more at a time, until your reflexes kick in and you start breathing again. What are the signs of sleep apnea? There are two kinds of sleep apnea: obstructive sleep apnea and central sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea happens when air can't flow into or out of the nose or mouth, although you're trying to breathe. Central sleep apnea happens when the brain fails to send the right signals to your muscles to make you start breathing. This type is less common. The dangers of uncontrolled sleep apnea. People with sleep apnea might also suffer from unexplained fatigue and mood swings, because their breathing interruptions continually wake them and prevent them from settling into a deep, nourishing sleep. People with sleep apnea might also suffer from unexplained fatigue and mood swings, because their breathing interruptions continually wake them and prevent them from settling into a deep, nourishing sleep. Several studies have shown an association between sleep apnea and problems like type 2 diabetes, strokes, heart attacks, and even a shortened lifespan. Diagnosing and treating sleep apnea for better health. It's important to treat sleep apnea, because it can have long-term consequences for your health. While there have been some high-profile deaths linked to sleep apnea, obstructive sleep apnea can range from mild to severe, based on a measurement system called the Apnea-Hypopnea Index, AHI. The AHI measures the number of breathing pauses that you experience per hour that you sleep. The main choice of therapy is a breathing device called a CPAP, or continuous positive airway pressure machine. A CPAP machine pipes humidified air through the nose, which creates air pressure to keep your throat open while asleep. This prevents pauses in breathing. Many studies show that regular use of CPAP reduces blood pressure and improves wakefulness during the day. People with sleep apnea who use CPAP also report improved quality of life. In some observational studies that compare people with apnea who use CPAP versus those who don't, the CPAP users have lower risk of stroke and heart attack and lower blood glucose. If you or your partner has noticed signs of sleep apnea, visit your doctor. A sleep specialist can order a sleep apnea test, which uses equipment to monitor your breathing and oxygen levels while you sleep. Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Program. How to learn easy throat exercises that cure, not just treated, your stubborn snoring, in 3 minutes, starting tonight. Even if straps, sprays and even torturing CPAP masks have failed you in the past, Most people heal their snoring in just a few minutes per day using these powerful throat exercises. And they're so easy, you can do them, regardless of your age or physical shape. Use them anytime, anywhere, even while stuck in traffic or watching TV. Plus, the results are permanent. To learn more and test drive the easy snoring and sleep apnea exercises for yourself, go to the link below for details. Thanks for watching. Hit like button if you loved this video, share with friends and subscribe to support us.